This is going to be the most amazing, detailed how to get MetaMask started, use a debit card to buy Ethereum, and then purchase Apollo tokens. First, go to the App Store, go to search for MetaMask, search. There it is. It has this fox face MetaMask blockchain wallet. Download that app. Now that we have MetaMask downloaded, open MetaMask. Now this is going to be really important. This is going to be information that you do not want to lose, or you will never be able to access your MetaMask wallet again. Get started. You can swipe through here, read a little bit about it if you want to. Great. Your gateway to Web3. Awesome. Web3, that means crypto stuff. Get started. Wallet. Import an existing wallet or create a new one. Let's create a new wallet. Create new wallet. Help us improve? No thanks. Wait, always allow you to opt, send anonymized. No, I don't want to do any of that. All right, create a password. This password will unlock your MetaMask wallet only on this device. So this is really important. Don't tell anybody this password. Write it down somewhere safe. Unlock with Face ID. Sure, I understand. Yes, I understand MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Create password. Creating your wallet. Yes. Securing your wallet. It's going to tell you some stuff. Okay, yeah. Protect your wallet by saving your secret recovery phrase in a place you trust. This is the super important stuff. You can open up your MetaMask wallet anywhere with the secret recovery phrase, and so can anybody else. Secure your wallet. Okay. They want you to write it down. If you lose it, you will lose whatever is in that wallet, and you'll never be able to get it back. Start. Write down your secret recovery phrase. Okay. Write down paper. View. There it is. I'm going to write this down with the numbers next to it because it's going to ask me to confirm that I know what it is. And it's going to ask me the numbers too. So write it down exactly as you see it here. Why does it use all of these words? What does it mean? Well, they stand in for a really long code, which is all letters and numbers, and really difficult to memorize. But you could memorize this if you needed to. All right, there's my secret phrase. Continue. And it wants me to confirm. So this is why I wrote it down exactly as I saw it. Number 1, I have to put it in the exact order. Complete backup. Yes, success. Awesome. Congratulations. Thanks for that. Leave yourself a hint. I mean, I guess that's probably tells you, like, you could say, like, left it at my mom's house or left it in the bank or something like that. Scratched it into stone. Done. I now have an active MetaMask wallet. So I don't have anything in it, no money, no nothing. But here's my account. Account 1, balance is 0. You can see this number here, 0x6a64 ... etc. That is my wallet address, my public address. That is okay to give people. So if I open up this menu over here, if I wanted to send it to someone, I could copy that. I could paste it into a text message, or I could say share my public address. I could text it to someone. That is okay, but never give away your secret key. I could view it on Etherscan. So this is my actual wallet on the blockchain. There's that number 0x6a64 blah blah blah. I have nothing in it. Okay, so now we're in MetaMask. Next, we need to get money into MetaMask, and we need Ethereum. We need Ether. Ether is used on the Ethereum blockchain for everything, including transactions. So you have to pay transaction fees. So what I'm going to do is hit buy. What to expect? Yeah. Okay. Select a region. United States of America. Texas. Why is it asking this because there's limitations on who is allowed to buy, depending on your country and state, crypto. So I think if you're in New York, you can't buy crypto like this. So I'm going to buy with a debit or credit card, continue. I want to buy Ethereum. You should probably buy at least a minimum of $100. But I'm going to just go ahead and put in 150. So 150 USD. I'm going to buy Ethereum, so I'll get $150 worth of Ethereum. I'm going to use my debit card or credit card, get quotes, fetching quotes. Okay. Transact or MoonPay. I think I could use either one. Looks like Transact is giving me a little bit better price, so price USD. I'll get $142 worth of ETH, total fees. There it is, processing network fee total. Okay, so you have a limited amount of time, so 0.07779. Let's do that, buy with Transact. Buy ETH to your wallet. So there's my wallet address. Here's what I'm getting. Ethereum price right now is $1,808. So I'll be getting 0.0779 ETH. So I'm going to go and say buy ETH. Please enter your email. So I'm going to need to use my email to do this. I'm going to use my real email. Don't put in a fake one because I'm actually buying it through Transact. And they will probably email me some confirmation or something to make sure I'm a real person. They will have to do what's called KYC, typically, which means know your customer. So they're emailing me a code. I'm opening up my Gmail account. There it is, 9864. So I go back to here, put in that number, 9864. Agree, continue. Okay, so here's more information. KYC step 1 of 4. So I didn't know I was going to have to do all of this, but I guess I'm not surprised either. Date of birth. There we go. Nope. There we go. Guess I was born on a Thursday. KYC step number 2. Social security number. You gotta be kidding me. Know your customer. They have to legally know who you are, have your information, or else they can be brought up on charges from the government. If you have completed your document and identity check, this page doesn't update automatically. All right, let's go back to my email. KYC verification link. Click that. I think it's going to ask me to put in my ID, driver's license, start, allow, use of my camera, front of driver's license. Got it. Can you read the details? Yes, yes, yes. Confirm. Back of driver's license. All right, start. Let's do that again. All right, that looks good. Confirm. Face verification. Great. All right. Start. Yes. You can use my front-facing camera. Please wait. Now let's put this into my face. Got me. Got my biometrics. Checking image quality. And they say I'm good to go. KYC success. All done. Please close this window and return back to your app. MetaMask. And opens up my face. Oops, okay. We sent an email containing a link. Yes, note. If you have completed your document and identity check and this page doesn't update automatically, click the button below. Come on, Transact. we've received. We'll email you once the verification has been completed. This process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Great. All right. More information, more personal information. Your KYC is being processed. Don't need any of these anymore. Yay, there we go. Has been verified. All right, so let's order now. Make sure billing is correct. Confirm your order using a payment method. Okay, add a new card. Card number. Continue. All right, now I have a card connected. There's my wallet. There's the order stuff. Sure, I accept. Authorize checkout.com to debit my account. Indicate for the above amount, I guess. I agree to the zero hash and zero liquidity services. I guess I have to confirm these. I confirm that I wish to buy ETH cryptocurrency. Okay. It's just an estimate. I understand. All right. It should be going through. Payment authorization, Visa, secure. Come on. There we go. Processing your purchase of ETH. And I think it went through. How do we find out? As Coldplay said, your guess is as good as mine. No, there are ways. There are ways to find out. If we don't see this update, you have no transactions. Let's go open up this right here. Activity. Purchases. Aha. Failed and purchased. So let's check this one. Processing order. Order ID. Okay, this could take a little while. There we go. Success. Purchase. Cancel that. Let's go back out here to my wallet. And let's look at my ETH balance. Okay, I still don't see it. Ah, there it is. $141. So 0.07842 ETH. Awesome. Okay, now that I have ETH, I can do anything I want in the world. So let's go open up the sidebar and go to browser. All right, search or type URL. We'll go to apollocrypto.org, which is the official Apollo website. There we go. I'm going to say buy Apollo, which is going to take me to these options, and I want to trade it on Uniswap. So I'm going to hit Uniswap, and it'll take me directly here. Uniswap is going to ask me to connect. By clicking connect, you'll have this tab to view your public address. This is an important security step to protect your data from phishing. Yes, connect. That is okay. A-okay. This token doesn't appear on the active token list. Make sure this is the token that you want to trade. This is the token. Unfortunately, it still does not have an icon on it. So I'm going to say import. Okay, so ETH, Apollo. I want to buy Apollo. And I'm going to need to buy at least 6 million tokens. That sounds like a lot. 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see what that tells me. Okay, so that's $76 worth. You don't want to spend all of your ETH ever because you're going to need it to make some transactions. So I'm just going to make, let's see, I should be able to do 7 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's $90 worth. Okay. So it looks like it's telling me down here gas fee is going to be around $7, which is really good. Swap, there's this little cog right here. If I open that up, slippage tolerance, I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to change any of these things. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, there's a couple reasons why. I might have to up my slippage, or I might have to change my Apollo amount from 7 million to something that doesn't end in zeros. So like 7,000,056. There's been an issue with Uniswap occasionally. So I'm going to press swap. It's telling me what I'm going to do. I'm trading this much ETH for this much Apollo. And I'm going to confirm that swap. And this is going to ask me to confirm. Estimated gas fee, $19, less than 30 seconds. That's fine. I would not pay gas fees if it was $50, probably $30. I might pay it just because I'm lazy, not going to wait. But I wouldn't pay it if it was $50 or $100. That would be ridiculous. Add Apollo to MetaMask. I want to do that. Transaction submitted. So this is going to make it where I can see the Apollo token in my wallet. You could own tokens and have them in your MetaMask wallet and not actually be able to see them unless you know that they're there and you've added them to your wallet to be able to see. So that says pending. Oh, it just said done. But if I tap either of these, let's take a look what it shows me. I don't want to do that. Pending. Okay, there we go. And I think if I hit this little arrow, oh, there we go. So there you go. Swap that, view on Explorer. If I do that, it's going to take me to that Etherscan page for that transaction on the blockchain. And you can see transaction hash, it's a long number, block, that's the Ethereum block, swap, that much ether for 7 million Apollo tokens on Uniswap version 2, contract, and somewhere, there we go, down here, tokens transferred from Uniswap, you'll actually see that 0x68, that's my wallet. So if I click on that one, I can do this and go look at my wallet again. So there it is. Wait a second. Maybe that wasn't my wallet address. Contract. Oh yeah, here it is. So filtered by token holder, that's me. I'm gonna click that and it's gonna take me to that address page. So this is my wallet on the blockchain. Note, anyone can see what you have in your wallet if they know your address. So I can see my address here, token, it says that I have $84 worth of something. So I have $84 worth of Apollo Inu. Ether value that I have is $39, which is that much Ether. Awesome. And there's the only transactions that I've done so far. And that's all I have to do here in the browser. Let's see if I go here. There we go. So I'm in the browser still. Let's go back to my wallet. And now I can see my amount of Ether and my amount of Apollo. The logo doesn't show up for Apollo. I don't know why. Hopefully it might show up in a few moments or something, but it also may not yet. It does on the web browser. Let's go back to the browser. And this is just like any normal browser, but let's close that tab. Let's open a new tab. And let's go back to apollocrypto.org. Go. And let's see if I can bookmark this. New tab, reload, add to favorites. Apollo Crypto. I like it. All right. So I'm on the Apollo Crypto website. Now I want to go to the creator contest. So up here, creator contest, voting is open. Let's go. Contest number 4, voting is open. I am not connected, which you can see here. It says connect wallet. So up here at the top and down here in this box, I could click cast vote, but I can't actually do anything yet. There's one contestant. Let's go back until it confirms that I have a wallet and I have the minimum amount of tokens necessary. So let's connect wallet. I am using MetaMask, so that's what I pick. Connect to the site by clicking connect. Yes. And this is safe. It's not asking me to do anything beyond just connecting, which is it. seeing the read-only data. So it's not asking to make any transactions on my behalf, anything like that. So you have one vote to cast. Close that. Click cast vote. You must hold this amount of Apollo tokens, which I did. I bought 7 million, which was around $80 worth. All right, so I have 7 contestants. I could, for the contest, I would go, I can go take a look at all of these, look through them, watch their videos, check out their socials, their website, and if I look down here, votes, this is all the people that have already voted in the contest. So 95 people total have voted so far. I'm going to pick Kevin Perkins. Yes, Kevin Perkins. You are voting for Kevin Perkins. Once your vote is cast, it cannot be changed. Click confirm to continue or cancel to return. All right, I'm going to press confirm. It's going to ask me to sign this message. That's just a fancy way of it recording your data, or the fact that you are voting to the blockchain. This is a little bit different. It's actually signing it without creating a transaction. On the Ethereum blockchain, it's using IPFS, which is something else completely, but works very similarly. Nice, you voted for Kevin Perkins. Now go tell the world. So this is where I would copy the link or share it to a social network that this is who I voted for, get some other people excited about it, and possibly come to vote. All right, so now that I've voted, this is a minor bug that it says you have one vote to cast. I've already voted, so I know I can't vote again. I don't have those cast votes buttons available. I can see, now that I've voted, I can see what the tally stands. So it looks like Jet Trouble has 33 votes. He's in the lead, followed by Andy Hinson, 30 votes. If I look down here, votes, 96 votes. Now that's what it said before I voted. So I know that if I do a refresh, it's going to update that. Let's see, 6A6. Is that me? 6A6. Oh, that is me. Okay. So 96 votes. That's my vote right there. And I voted for that wallet number, which corresponds to the contestant I picked. You can actually see the transaction if you click on that. This is the code that it's sent to the chain to record your vote. So now that it still says I have one vote to cast, I got an idea. Let's just go to apply as a creator. If you want to apply as a creator, you could come here and you can see the contestant queue that there are 3 applicants in the queue right now. They are queued up for the next contest that will begin. Submit your application. You must hold 5 million Apollo tokens to apply. So there is a requirement that you have a wallet to apply as a creator and that you have that minimum to prevent any just random bots and scammers and whatnot to sign up. So the $5 million, that's $75 worth of tokens. To become a creator in a contest, go through building your profile, email. This is what your card will look like once you fill it all out. So if I start typing my name right here, Caleb Sylvester, uppercase that. There we go. Boom. You can see it right there. Now watch this. Right now we're using Gravatar for profile pics. So if I put in my email address that I have an associated Gravatar account with, which I already do. If you don't, you can go create one. Boom. Automatically pulls in my headshot from there. Creator type, country. Oh, I guess I have to scroll all the way down. United States of America. What creator type are you? Are you a painting, drawing, sculpture, literature, etc.? Whichever one you pick, it's going to show up here. You can also pick other. And if you do, it's going to give you your own field. I'm just going to say awesome guy. Creator statement. This is about who you are. as an artist. And then how will you use the funds? I will use if you win, the funds. Then you put in you can add a YouTube video, highly recommended. You can add links to your website and socials, absolutely necessary. If you want to win. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, other agreement. You agree to the terms and conditions and you submit your application. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to submit myself for this demo. So if I go back here, there we go. So that box updated. I no longer says I have one vote to cast. It says I voted for this person. I can still share it, and I can still see what the current tally is. So if I come back here and I'm logged in, this is what I'll continue to see until the next contest. And if I come back and I'm not logged in, connected with my wallet, then it will show that connect button again. So now I have made my vote. It's, you have to hold the tokens to be able to vote, but you don't have to spend the tokens. So I still have the entire 7 million Apollo tokens that I bought. Well, let's take a look at that to double check that. Okay, so I don't have 7 million, I have 6.5 million. And there's a reason for that in the way the tokenomics, the economics of the Apollo token. The gist is that on every transaction, 3% is reflected, 2% is burned, and 1% goes to the creator prize fund. Now, explaining that for another lesson besides this, but that's part of what makes crypto so unique and different than anything else, is that we can do these really awesome functions that you cannot do in the traditional finance world. So let's just say the 1%. On every transaction, 1% goes into the creator prize fund. So if I transact, buy, sell, or send 100 Apollo tokens, then one of those tokens will be redirected into the creator prize fund. And so 99 tokens will end up somewhere else. Now, of course, in this example, I'm not counting the 3% and 2%. All those tokens all those 1% that go into the creator prize fund, that's what funds the creator contest. So when people enter and compete and they win the $10,000 in Apollo tokens, that payout comes from that creator prize fund. So that's part of the ecosystem that keeps Apollo and the contest running. All right. That was a lot. I still have my ETH. I still have my Apollo. There's a lot that you can do in the world of DeFi. Be safe. Keep your information to yourself. Don't share your top secret passphrase ever, and put it somewhere safe.